In military aviation, a new star is rising. Not a fighter jet, but a drone. The Boeing MQ-28 Ghost Bat. Nations from Australia to Germany and Japan are eager to get their hands on this game-changing technology. The Ghost Bat is a loyal wingman, a robotic partner designed to fly alongside pilots, protect them, and multiply their power in the sky. Imagine sending an autonomous drone ahead of a multi-million-dollar fighter jet to scout, jam enemy signals, or even engage threats, keeping pilots safer. Boeing Australia has turned this decades-old dream into reality. The MQ-28 is a force multiplier, bodyguard, and versatile tool in one sleek package. Its popularity is soaring because it's a smart, cost-effective answer to the complexities of modern aerial warfare. Unlike many concepts, the Ghost Bat has already completed over 150 test flights, proving its systems in the real world. For countries seeking rapid, reliable upgrades, the MQ-28 is a ready-made solution. It allows air forces to expand capabilities without the massive cost of more crewed jets. By teaming pilots with intelligent machines, nations can extend their reach and maintain an edge in a contested world. The MQ-28 isn't just a new aircraft, it's a new way of thinking about air power. The MQ-28 Ghost Bat began with a simple question. How can we make air forces more effective and keep pilots safer? Military planners envisioned an uncrewed aircraft flying in harmony with piloted jets, taking on risky tasks, and providing extra eyes in the sky. Boeing Australia, partnering with the Royal Australian Air Force, brought this vision to life. The goal: create an affordable, attritable aircraft to team up with fighters like the F-35 and Super Hornet. The Ghost Bat uses advanced AI to fly independently or in formation, taking commands and executing complex missions. A single pilot can control a squadron of drones, multiplying their impact without risking more lives. The program moved at record speed, thanks to digital engineering and close collaboration. Virtual design and testing saved time and money, making the Ghost Bat the world's most mature collaborative combat aircraft. From bold idea to flying reality, the Ghost Bat is a showcase of modern innovation. The MQ-28's brilliance lies in its modularity, a high-tech Swiss Army knife for the skies. Its swappable nose section can be replaced in hours, letting one drone handle multiple missions: reconnaissance, electronic warfare, or combat strikes. Instead of buying specialized aircraft, air forces can reconfigure the Ghost Bat by swapping its nose cone, which houses mission-specific sensors and payloads. One nose might carry cameras for surveillance, another, electronic warfare gear to jam enemy radar. This plug-and-play system lets commanders tailor their fleet to any mission, any day. The modular approach slashes costs, simplifies logistics, and future-proofs the platform. Internal bays can be reconfigured for new equipment or weapons as technology evolves. New sensors and systems can be integrated without redesigning the whole aircraft. The Ghost Bat's adaptability ensures it stays relevant for decades. It's a future-proof platform for any air force. The Ghost Bat's potential has sparked a global alliance. Australia's Royal Australian Air Force leads the way, acquiring prototypes and funding advanced versions. The U.S. Air Force and Navy are testing the MQ-28, exploring its integration with their own combat aircraft. American involvement signals major confidence in the platform. In Europe, Boeing partnered with Rheinmetall to offer the MQ-28 to Germany, adapting it for German needs. Australia and Japan have signed a historic agreement to collaborate on the Ghost Bat, strengthening Indo-Pacific security. These partnerships highlight the MQ-28's global appeal as a mature, low-risk, and highly capable solution. For Australia, it's a leap forward for its defense industry. For partners, it's a fast track to loyal wingman capability. A shared ecosystem for training and development will make the Ghost Bat even more powerful for all who fly it. The MQ-28 is more than a drone. It's a network of sensors, processors, and soon, weapons. Its modular nose can be equipped with advanced sensors, like infrared search and track systems that spot stealthy threats from afar. Fitted with electronic warfare payloads, it can jam enemy radar and communications, creating safe corridors for piloted jets. It can even act as a decoy, drawing enemy fire away from human pilots. The next evolution, Block 3, will add an internal weapons bay for air-to-air missiles and precision-guided bombs. The Ghost Bat operates autonomously, processing data, communicating with other aircraft, and making tactical decisions. It's already demonstrated the ability to engage airborne targets on its own. This high autonomy lets a single pilot manage multiple Ghost Bats, orchestrating complex attacks or defenses. The Ghost Bat's integration of AI and modular payloads sets it apart as a true force multiplier. In March 2026, Boeing and Rheinmetall announced a strategic partnership to bring the MQ-28 Ghost Bat to Germany. The deal could see the drone flying alongside Germany's Eurofighters and F-35s by decade's end. Rheinmetall will adapt the Ghost Bat for German needs, integrating local systems and managing production and support. This partnership is expected to generate significant revenue and establish Rheinmetall as a leader in next-gen defense tech. By teaming with Rheinmetall, Boeing gains credibility and access to the European market. The Ghost Bat's proven track record gives it an edge over unproven European concepts. Germany aims to have the drone operational by 2029, a timeline hard to match with new designs. With delays in Europe's future combat air system, the MQ-28 offers a practical, near-term solution. This deal could spark more European nations to adopt the world's most mature collaborative combat aircraft. In April 2026, Australia and Japan signed a landmark agreement to collaborate on the MQ-28 program. This partnership is about more than technology. It's about trust, interoperability, and regional stability. For Japan, the Ghost Bat offers a way to modernize its self-defense forces and extend its air defense network. Japanese and Australian engineers will work together, sharing expertise and operational insights. Sharing the MQ-28 strengthens both nations' security and ensures seamless cooperation in future missions. By pooling resources and knowledge, they can accelerate the evolution of collaborative combat aircraft. This alliance sends a clear message: Australia and Japan are committed to maintaining a technological edge in the Indo-Pacific. The MQ-28's journey from digital drawing to operational aircraft has been rapid and impressive. The program is structured in blocks, each adding new capabilities. Block 1 prototypes proved basic flight and autonomy. Block 2, now in production, adds refined systems and advanced sensors, with service entry expected around 2028. Block 3, under development, will add an internal weapons bay and more sensor options, transforming the Ghost Bat into a true combat asset. The Ghost Bat has already flown in formation, demonstrated high autonomy, and engaged airborne targets without direct human control. With over 150 test flights, it's proven itself reliable and capable. The MQ-28 is ready to move from development to a cornerstone of modern air power. Its evolution highlights the power of rapid innovation and international collaboration. The Boeing MQ-28 Ghost Bat is more than a drone. It's a glimpse into the future of air power. The era of the lone fighter pilot is giving way to human-machine teams, where pilots are amplified by intelligent, autonomous wingmen. The Ghost Bat is the first real expression of this concept, and its impact will be global. It lets air forces boost combat power without the cost of more pilots and jets. Ghost Bats can enter dangerous zones, absorb risk, and protect human lives. They extend sensor reach, provide electronic warfare support, and add firepower. Global partnerships, from the US to Germany and Japan, underscore its importance. As more nations adopt the MQ-28, a powerful allied network will emerge, sharing data and tactics. The Ghost Bat bridges today's crewed jets and tomorrow's autonomous systems. The age of the loyal wingman has arrived, and the Ghost Bat is leading the charge.